লোকসভায় দাঁড়িয়ে তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসকে তুলোধনা করলেন কেন্দ্রীয় অর্থমন্ত্রী নির্মলা সীতারামন। তার অভিযোগ, দুর্নীতিকে প্রাতিষ্ঠানিক রূপ দিয়েছে তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস। 100 দিনের কাজে দুর্নীতি, আবাস যোজনায় দুর্নীতি, রেশন দুর্নীতি সহ সমস্ত কিছু দুর্নীতির উল্লেখ করে কেন্দ্রীয় অর্থমন্ত্রী অভিযোগ করলেন, গরিব মানুষকে তাদের সুবিধা থেকে বঞ্চিত করছে তৃণমূল সরকার।
Bengal MPs, sir, spoke about financial blockade. हाँ? मैं आ रही हूँ, बैठिए, मैं आ रही हूँ, बैठिए। हाँ जी, sir, financial blockade. They charged us with financial blockade allegation. Like every other state, sir, PM Awas Yojana Gramin is being implemented in West Bengal since 2016-17. The government has released 25,798 crore as central share to the state since 2016-17. 25,798 crore, only central share. It's gone. However, complaints of irregularities, I will give you. Complaints of irregularities in the implementation of PM Awas Yojana Gramin, including a selection of ineligible households from Awas 2018 Awas Plus, removal of eligible households and branding violations were received.
We are hearing this allegation for last 3 years.
There have been similar complaints about Mandrega. Ministry Rural Development is engaging with West Bengal and for a satisfactory reply. Sir, now I come to the specific data. It's ironical that Trinamool, which means grassroots, Congress that prides itself on being rooted in the grassroots now symbolizes harassment and denial of rights to the common people in the grassroots. I'll give you examples for that, sir. 25 lakh fake job cards in Mandrega. Funds meant for people at the grassroots have been looted by the carders. 100 crore midday meal fraud. 100 crore midday meal fraud. Ration mafia thriving in the state on grassroots level. Ayushman Bharat was blocked and denied health care the poor living in the grassroots. 43% tap water coverage in Bengal as opposed to 74% national average. 74% national average. Bengal is at 43%. That's the average. Sir, important. Capital formation crashed from 6.7% in 2010 to 2.9% in the recent years. No jobs, no factories, no vision. That's Bengal for you, sir. Industrial powerhouse. Bengal was industrial powerhouse. 24% share when in 1947 during independence Bengal had 24% share in manufacturing. Today it has 3.5%, sir. Bengal's per capita income growth lags behind the national average. For the last 20 years, per capita income of Bengal lags behind the national average for last 20 years. It's ranked 23rd. In 21-22, it was 23rd among all states of India. Sir, Trinamool Congress has institutionalized corruption, gutted institutions, and Trinamool has become a byword for exploitation. Trinamool has become a byword for exploitation, sir. Now, can I then suggest, because बजट बंगाल विरोधी बजट बोला गया, मैं क्या पूछना चाहती हूं अभी, तृणमूल विरोधी टीएमसी हो गया है क्या? तृणमूल विरोधी टीएमसी है, तृणमूल जनता विरोधी है।